My name is Josh. I perform quality control here at Puget Systems. And before moving your computer on the next steps, I'm going to take a few minutes to give you a quick video tour of your PC. So we'll start with the inside here. I'll try to give you a good view of everything going on. Up there is your video card. It's being held by a custom acrylic brace, and that helps reduce strain on your PCIe slot and shipping and overtime. There's your wireless adapter, and over there is your primary drive, and we have installed pre-wiring for the SSD that you'll be installing as you requested. So there's that. You can see the data and power cable right there. And I've also gone ahead and loosely zip tied the screws to this drive tray here that you'll be using. Alright, let's check out your rear ports. You want to be sure to plug in your video card first, because that's where you're going to get the best performance. But if you're going to be hooking up more monitors than your video card supports, you can also plug into your onboard video outputs as well. And these two nubs are where you're going to be installing your antenna. It doesn't look like a traditional antenna, so I'll give you a view of that. Since it doesn't look like a regular antenna, it's pretty easy to miss when you're going through your accessories, so I'll show you that there. And there's where you're going to be plugging in power. Do be mindful. You have this physical power supply switch, and if that's off, your computer will not turn on, so that's actually a pretty important detail. You also have this removable fan filter for your power supply, which is good because that's not a component you want to get all dusty. And in the front here, you have a microphone port, headphone port, reset switch, power button, two USB 3 ports, and two USB 2 ports. Behind the door, you have your optical drive, and directly to the right of that, we'll let the camera focus here, or maybe it won't. We have this 3-speed fan controller. We do all of our testing at the lowest setting, but you can feel free to change the fan speed if you'd like. And here's actually a demonstration of what they sound like at their various speeds. So this is on low, and that's medium, and that's high. So they can move quite a bit more air, but at the cost of noise level, of course. Alright, and one more thing I want to show you is behind this door here you have another removable filter for your front intake fan. And the way you remove this is by pressing down on that plastic tab there, and that'll release the assembly, and from there you simply pull the filter upwards. And the way you clean these filters is just by taking a can of compressed air or a vacuum to it, whatever method you think is best for taking dust out of those things. Alright, and that's your PC. I'll be sending this over to Final Prep where it'll be boxed and shipped. Thanks.